What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is a beautiful day out here in Jersey, which gives us another reason to buy some more car parts. So right now we're about to head out, stop at the bank, make some moves. Alright guys, package is secured, as you can see behind me on the box there. So now let's go ahead, head back home and install these parts. Here is the new intake. We're going to be running on the Type R Eventuri. It is used, but it was only ran for about 3,000 miles from the previous owner. Here's some more turbo noise. We'll get rid of all this ugliness. In the new intake, we are going to be replacing this intake boot with this right here. So we're going to go ahead, start swapping and removing this. We're also going to be removing the outlining here for the insert, because we're going to be swapping this over as well. Just pop out like little Christmas trees. We are going to be swapping over the MAV sensor, so we're going to be removing it out of here and swapping it. Alright, so that's off. We're also going to be putting this into the new intake right here, and then as well as this right here. I forgot most of my power tools and regular tools in my hoopty, so right now we're just working with anything I can find as far as hand tools go. So you guys saw me remove the 210s and wiggle this out of the stock tube. And apparently on this one here, all you gotta do is just pull it out. As you see, there's no head here to loosen up this clamp. At this point, the intake is pretty much ready to come out after I loosen up the rubber insulator around here, loosen up these 210s, took the boot off of here, disconnected the MAV housing connector, which is there. There is a 10 mil there, as well as a 10 mil here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and pull up on it to remove the grommet that's down there. So as you guys saw there, kind of had to finesse it out. Look at all this room. Now let's go ahead and get everything else prepped up, ready to install. Alright guys, so new inlet tube is in. First valve swapped over, as well as the clamps are tightened down on the inlet pipe, swapped over the MAF housing. Now we're gonna go ahead and unclip the plastic around the harness. We're gonna run some wire loom around the exposed wires, which pops off. We won't be needing this anymore. Put that to the side, and then we're gonna be provided with some wire loom. So we're gonna go ahead and roll this onto the exposed wires, run it underneath the intake, under the tube, and then plug it back in to the sensor. And we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the rubber insulator. Here is the finished product. Inlet tube, inlet pipe, intake. This thing looks nice.
That just sounds good. Did you ever have that blow sound like that? No.
What do you got there? That is loud. I like that. That's a 10 out of 10 intake.
I agree.